Good morning, guys. So today I will unboxing my order from Amazon. Then nagpaunigay ko ani guys sa akong pretty friendship nga si Lauren. So guess what? So what's inside? So let's open, guys. Charan! Wow, it's a 1 pack of chia seeds. So this is good for the body, guys. No, from Amazon. Chef's Choice Certified Organic Chia Seed. Chia Seed! Okay. And another one, guys, what is this? It's a blender, a small blender, guys, color yellow. So I will start blending a fruit, guys, para healthy na atong body. Okay, medyo younger naman taron, our age, at our age. So this is, guys, this is it, guys. So nice. Like that. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Wow. I'm excited to blend the fruits, guys. This blender, cute. So yeah, so cute. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Mega love shout out to Marlena San. Thank you so much for ordering this. So nice and I love it. Thank you so much.